Hello students, welcome to the next video of science. In this video, we are going to study about parts of plants. Okay student, but before starting our topic, let me introduce you to some plants. Okay, here you can see the beautiful plants. Okay, yes, here are some beautiful plants. You can see, yes, you can see the green leaves of the plant. Here is the purple flower, here is the red flower. Okay, different plants are here. You can see here it's also a plant. Have you noted one thing, that the flowers are in different color, but leaves are all green in color. Different plants have different flowers are different color, but the leaves are green. Yes, see here, look here, these are the blue color flowers in blue colors. Okay, here it's a rose plant. Now there are no flowers are there, but it's a rose plant. You can see birds here, small birds are here. Here is birds are growing, and these will convert into flowers. You can see small bird. Okay, birds are here, and these will change into flowers. Okay student, now here this plant's having yellow color flower. You can see small yellow color flower. Okay student, so the different plants are different in shape, size and flowers. Their flowers are different in color. Okay student, here you can see a cotton plant is here. Okay, this is a cotton plant. Cotton, you know, is a natural fiber. This is a cotton plant. You can see the leaves of a cotton plant, and here it's a flower. There are many flowers. I will show you the flowers of cotton plant. Yes, here it's a flower. Here it's a flower of cotton plant. Okay, and we get cotton from this plant. Okay student, cotton is a natural fiber which we get from cotton plant. Okay, this is a cotton plant. Okay, I have shown you the flower also. There are many birds, small birds. Here you can see, here these are the birds. This will convert into flower, and on that flower cotton will grow. There are many birds. I'll show you. Here you can see, here it's a bird. Here it's a bird. ये bird देख रहे हैं आप, है ना, ये bird है. It will convert into flower. Okay, and in that flower cotton will grow. रुई आप सबने देखी ना, पूजा में भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं, है ना, आप सबके घर में होती है कॉटन. सो द कॉटन वी गेट फ्रॉम दिस प्लांट. इट्स अ कॉटन प्लांट. ओके स्टूडेंट, here also you can see there are a lot of plants are here. Plants with different flowers. Flowers are different in color, but the leaves are, all the leaves are green in color. Okay, here in the picture you can see hibiscus plant, गुड़हल का पेड़. Okay student, you can see beautiful flowers. All plants have different flowers, but the leaves are green in color. Okay student, now come to the guava plant. Now I'll show you guava plant. Okay student, you can also see the bird sitting on this plant. If I will show any bird, I will show you bird also. Okay, here it's a guava plant. I will show you small guavas on this plant also. Okay, here are the leaves. You can see the leaves. These are the leaves of guava plant, and here you can see a small guava is there. देखिए अमरूद आप सब खाते हैं ना, अमरूद लगे हुए हैं इसमें. Okay, and here also I will show many other. Yes, here are a lot of guavas are here. You can see, देखो लग रहे हैं ना guavas. Okay student, you all have eaten. आप सब खाते हैं ना guavas, अमरूद खाते हैं आप लोग सब, है ना. There are a lot of guavas on this plant, and sometimes parrots also visit this plant to eat the guavas. देखो ये एक parrot ने खा के नीचे गिराया हुआ है. This one parrot has eaten this. Okay, so today we are going to study about parts of plants. Okay, so let us start with some plant. Okay, yeah, I will show you papaya plant. Papaya plant is also here. It's a papaya plant. You can see in the picture, it's a papaya plant, and here is also fruit. Yes, fruit, you can see the fruit. Here it's a papaya is also there. Small, very small papaya is also here. Okay student, So now let us start with, today we are going to study about parts of plants. Okay, so I'll take one plant and show you the parts of plants. Okay, we will start from here. Here you all can have a look on this plant. Okay student, see, we can't see the root of the plant. Okay, we can't see the roots of the plants, because why we cannot see the roots of the plants? Because they grow under the soil. And this is the stem, this is the stem. Okay, and this is the stem, and here these are the leaves. Okay, and you can see the flowers also. Okay, small birds also here, you can see the birds, flower, everything. Okay, roots, the part of the plant that grows below the soil is known as root. Okay student, the part of plant that grow below the soil is known as root. Okay, and the part of the plant that grows above the soil is known as shoot. And shoot includes stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and birds, everything. Okay, so the parts of the plant that grow below the soil is known as root. Here also in guava plant we cannot see the roots. Yes, this only stem is visible to us. So the part of the plant that grows below the soil is known as root. Okay student, and we cannot see the roots. Why we cannot see the roots? Because they grow under the soil. Okay student, and the part of the plant that grows above the soil is known as shoot. And a shoot includes, you can see the stem here, stem of the guava plant. Here it's the stem, ये आप देख रहे हैं ना, it's the stem. You can see the branches also. Yes, here the branches, here you can see many branches. These are the branches. Okay, and leaves, beautiful leaves, and guavas, these are the guavas. Okay, flower has changed into fruit. Okay student, you can't see the flowers here because flowers have changed into fruit. Okay student, and these fruits have, when we will cut this fruit, what we will see inside them? We will see seeds inside them. Okay student, so the parts of the plant are roots, stem, leaves, flower, and fruit. Okay, and the part of the plant that grows below the soil is known as root, and the part of the plant that grows above the soil is known as shoot. Okay student, and we cannot see the roots because roots grow under the soil. Here also you can see the beautiful flowers are here. You can see, ये देखो कितने सुंदर flowers है ना. Yes. Okay student, so you can see there a lot of flower plants are here, and the leaves are green in color. Do you know the leaves are green in color? Why the leaves are green in color? Leaves are green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll. Leaves are green in color because chlorophyll, a pigment chlorophyll is present in these leaves, and it gives green color to the leaves. Okay student, now come to the function of roots. What is the function of roots? Okay, what is the function of roots? Now again we have come to guava plant. As you can see, the roots are below the soil. Okay, roots grow under the soil. So what is the function of the roots? The number one function of the root is to absorb water and mineral from the soil. Okay student, you have seen your parents or the grandparents giving water to the plants daily. आप सबने अपने घर में देखा होगा ना कि आपके पेरेंट्स और आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स प्लांट्स को रोज़ डेली पानी देते हैं सुबह शाम. क्यों? Why they give water to the plants? Why they give water to the plants? Because plants is a living thing and it needs air, water and food. Okay student, plant is a living thing and it also needs air, water and food. Okay, so So the plants need water to prepare its food. That's why we give water to the plants daily. Okay student. And we gave manure to the plants. आपने देखा है ना गोबर जिसको manure कहते हैं इंग्लिश में. We also gave manure to the plants. Okay student. So that they can prepare their own food. Okay student. So in this way we can say the one function of roots is, number one, it absorbs water and mineral from the soil. It absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Second point, it helps the plant to fix itself to the soil. It helps the plant to fix itself to the soil. अगर हम किसी प्लांट को उखाड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, कभी आपने की होगी, तो हम उसे उखाड़ नहीं पाते. क्यों? क्योंकि रूट्स जो है सॉइल को टाइटली होल्ड करके रखती हैं, है ना, ताकि प्लांट ठीक से खड़ा रह सके, है ना. सो these are the two functions of a root. Okay student. First one is root absorbs water and mineral from the soil, and second is roots help the plant to fix itself to the soil. अगर हम किसी प्लांट को उखाड़ने की कोशिश करेंगे तो हम उसे उखाड़ नहीं पाएंगे. क्यों? Because the roots helps the plants to fix itself to the soil. Roots जो है सॉइल को एकदम टाइटली होल्ड करके रखती हैं ताकि वो गिरे नहीं. ओके स्टूडेंट. नाउ come here to the, we will study about the stem. Now what is the function of the stem? Here you can see the stem. Okay, you have seen the stem of the guava plant also, and here also you can see the stem. First see the different types of stem. Here it's also stem. It is thinner than the guava plant. Okay, so you can see also here is also stem. It is, देखिए ये हवा ऐसे ऐसे हिल रहा है ना, इसकी स्टेम क्या है? वीक है. ओके स्टूडेंट. सो जिन प्लांट्स की स्टेम स्ट्रांग होती है तो वो प्लांट स्ट्रेट खड़े रहते हैं ना. अब ये प्लांट देखो हवा से ऐसे गिर जाएगा, है ना. अब तेज़ हवा चलेगी तो ये प्लांट गिर जाएगा. इट विल नॉट बी एबल टू स्टैंड इरेक्ट. ये सीधे खड़े नहीं हो पाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि इसकी स्टेम कैसी है? थिन है. ओके स्टूडेंट. सो what is the function of the stem? Stem helps the plant to stand erect, है ना. जिस प्लांट की स्टेम जितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग होगी तो वो सीधा खड़े रहने में उसको हेल्प करती है. ठीक है. स्टेम हेल्प्स द प्लांट टू स्टैंड इरेक्ट. स्टेम हेल्प्स द प्लांट टू स्टैंड इरेक्ट. ओके. सो देखिए इसकी स्टेम कैसी है, पतली है, थिन. स्टेम इज थिन. सो थोड़ी सी भी हवा से ये गिर रहा है, देखो it has fallen down, है ना. So what is the function of the stem? The function of the stem is to help the plant to stand erect. Okay student. And the second function of the stem is, देखिए what was the function of the roots? The root absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Okay, root absorbs water and mineral from the soil. So the leaves, the stem, देखिए रूट से तो एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया ना वाटर एंड मिनरल, बट दिस स्टेम कैरीज दिस वाटर एंड मिनरल टू ऑल अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट, है ना. स्टेम क्या करती है? ये यहाँ से रूट से वाटर मिनरल ले लेती है एंड इट कैरीज टू द ऑल अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स. स्टेम्स देखिए लीव्स में, फ्लावर्स में, सब में क्या करती है? वाटर एंड मिनरल जो कि रूट ने एब्जॉर्ब किया है सॉइल से, उसको प्लांट के सारे पार्ट्स तक ले जाती है. ओके स्टूडेंट. स्टेम जैसे आप लोग पिज़्ज़ा मंगाते हैं तो डिलीवरी बॉय क्या करता है? डोमिनोज से पिज़्ज़ा ले लेता है ना, और सबके घर एक एक करके पहुंचाता है ना. वैसे ही स्टेम क्या करती है? यहाँ से रूट से वाटर एंड मिनरल ले लेती है और धीरे 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 सारे प्लांट में पहुँचाने का काम करती है. इस स्टेम तक लाएगी, फिर यहाँ ले जाएगी, है ना, फिर सारे लीव्स में, फिर सारे फ्लावर्स में, है ना. इस तरह से स्टेम कैरीज द वाटर एंड मिनरल एब्जॉर्ब बाय द रूट्स to other part of the plant. Okay student. So today we have discussed about the parts of the plants. What are the parts of a plant? Parts of a plant are root, stem, leaves, flower and fruit. Okay student. And roots, the part of the plant that grows below the soil. Here you can see roots हमें दिखाई नहीं दे रही है ना. क्यों नहीं दिखाई दे रही है? We cannot see the roots. Why? Because roots grow under the soil. Okay, student. And the part of the plant which grows under the soil is known as root. And the part of the plant that grows above the soil is known as shoot. पूरा plant ये stem से लेकर पूरे flowers तक सारा ये क्या कहलाता है? Shoot. Okay. So the function of the root. Function of the root, number one is it absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Okay, root absorbs water and mineral from the soil. And second function of the root is it helps the plant to fix itself to the soil. It helps the plant to fix itself to the soil. Okay, student. Now the function of the stem. What is the function of the stem? Stem, as you all can see, the stem starts from here. Okay, so the water and mineral absorbed by the roots, जो water और mineral roots ने absorb किया है, stem क्या करती है? It carries to the all parts of the plants. वो stem ऊपर ऊपर लाती है सारे branches में, flowers में, leaves में, सब में water and minerals को पहुँचाती है. Stem carries the water and mineral absorbed by the roots to other parts of the plant. Okay, student. And second function of the stem is the stem helps the plant to stand erect. Okay, student. देखिए इसकी this plant has weak stem, so it is just falling down, है ना? थोड़ी सी भी हवा चलती है तो ये गिर जाता है ना? लेकिन जिस plant की stem strong होती है वो plant सीधे खड़े रहते हैं. Okay, as you can see here is a rose plant. Its stem is strong, so it is stand straight. It is straight in, है ना? और आपको दिखाते हैं हम. Here is a hibiscus plant. ये गुड़हल का प्लांट है, देखिए, है ना? इसकी स्टेम भी स्ट्रांग है, लेकिन देखिए हवा से हिल रही है ना. ये हवा होती है तो ये ऐसे ऐसे हिलने लग जाएगी, है ना? इट इज़ नॉट स्ट्रांग. ओके, और जिन प्लांट्स की स्टेम स्ट्रांग होती है वो प्लांट सीधे खड़े रहते हैं. नाउ आई विल शो यू द guava plant again. You will see the stem of the guava plant. It is very strong and it will not lie down. वो हवा से गिरेगा नहीं, है ना? Here you can see how strong is the guava plant. The stem of the guava plant. It is very strong, है ना? So the function of the stem is it carries the water and mineral absorbed by the roots to other parts of the plant. Okay, student. And second function of the stem is it helps the plant to stand erect, है ना? जिस प्लांट की स्टेम जितनी स्ट्रांग होगी वो प्लांट सीधा खड़ा रहेगा. देखिए ये स्टेम इसकी स्ट्रांग है ना, गवावा प्लांट की स्ट्रांग स्टेम है, सो इट विल स्टैंड स्ट्रेट. ये हवा से नहीं गिरेगा. ओके स्टूडेंट. नाउ कम टू द लीव्स. As you can see, a lot of plants here, beautiful flowers are there also there, and you can see the flowers are different in color, but all the leaves are green in color. Why the leaves are green in color? Leaves are green in color. Why? Because of the chlorophyll. Okay, leaves are green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment which gives green color to the leaves. Okay student, chlorophyll is a pigment that gives green color to the leaves. देखिए यहाँ पर से plants की stem वैसी है ना, बहुत हल्की है, पतली है, और ये हवा से गिर रहे हैं इधर उधर, है ना? They can't stand straight. देखिए ये plant को देखिए, its stem is thin, so it cannot stand straight. Okay, so now why the leaves are, देखिए it's a marigold plant. देखिए इसमें this here is a bud and it is going to convert into a flower. Okay, this is a bud. This is a bud and it will grow into the flower. If we watch it after 2-3 days, we will see that it has grown into flower. Okay student, this is a bud and this is a marigold plant. आप सबने देखा होगा गेंदे की फूल, है ना ये. So students, see leaves, how beautiful are the leaves, and these are green in color. Why the leaves are green in color? Leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Okay student. Now can you tell me what is the work of the leaf or the function of the leaf? Can you tell me what is the function of the leaf? Yes, of course. leaf prepares food for the plant. Okay, student. Leaf prepares food for the plants. Okay, student. Leaf prepares food for the plants in the presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Okay. अगर आपने देखा होगा, अगर हम एक प्लांट को अंधेरे कमरे में बंद कर दें, है ना, और डेली वाटर दें, will it grow? No, it will not grow, because a leaf, as we all know, plant prepare their own food, and it is the work of the leaf to prepare the food. Okay, student. And a leaf prepares food in the presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Sunlight is necessary for plants to prepare the food. Okay. If we kept a plant in a dark room, will it grow? No, it will die. Okay, student. It will not survive in the absence of the sunlight. Okay. So, what is the function of the leaf? The one and the most important function of the leaf is leaf prepares food for the plant. Okay, student. And leaves are also known as the food factory of the plants. Leaves are also known as the food factory of the plant. Why? Why leaves are known as the food factory of the plant? Leaves are known as the food factory of the plant because they prepare food for the plant. Okay. जैसे हम लोग खाते हैं ना जैम, आप लोग चॉकलेट खाते हैं, चिप्स, फ्रूटी and achar, all the things come from factories. Okay, and the factories keep on making these things regularly. Okay, ये चीज़ें फैक्ट्रीज में रेगुलरली बनती हैं और फिर ये हमारे तक पहुंचती है. इन द सेम वे द लीव्स प्रिपेयर्स द फूड फॉर द प्लांट एंड सप्लाई टू द ऑल अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. ओके स्टूडेंट, जैसे कि फैक्ट्री से हमारी चीज़ें बन के आती हैं, हमारा जो भी खाना हम खाते हैं, चिप्स, चॉकलेट, फ्रूटी और जैम्स, अचार, ये सब हमारा कहाँ बनता है? फैक्ट्रीज में बनता है ना. And the factories keep on making this thing and supply to us. Okay. In the same way, leaf prepares food for the plant and carry and supply to other part of the plant. So that's why the leaves are known as the food factory of the plant. Okay, student. That's why the leaves are known as the food factory of the plant. Okay, student. So now the another thing is, I'll show you the leaf. I will show you a leaf. Okay, here you can see a beautiful plant. Okay, here it's a leaf. Here it's a leaf. You can see this is a leaf. What is this? This is a stalk. ये जिसे हमने पकड़ रखा है, इसको क्या कहते हैं? Stalk. Okay, and here you can see ये जो बीच सेंटर की लाइन है, इसको क्या कहते हैं? Main vein. ठीक है, this is the main vein. Okay, and these are side vein. ये जो इधर बगल बगल की लाइन दिख रही है आपको, V शेप बना रही है ना, ये क्या है? साइड वेन्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, एंड ये जो लीफ की किनारी है, इसको क्या कहते हैं? दिस इज लीफ ब्लेड. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ दिस इज द स्टॉल्क, जहाँ से हमने लीफ को पकड़ा हुआ है, इसको क्या कहते हैं? स्टॉल्क. ओके, एंड ये जो स्ट्रेट लाइन लीफ के सेंटर से जा रही है, इसको क्या कहते हैं? मिड वेन, और वी कैन ऑल्सो कॉल इट एज अ मिड रिब. ओके, एंड दीज आर द साइड वेन्स, है ना. ये जो वी शेप बना रही है ना, इधर भी जा रही है, इधर भी जा रही है, दूसरी तरफ भी जा रही है, एंड दे आर मेकिंग वी, है ना. ये क्या है? साइड वेन्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, एंड और जो लीफ की जो किनारी है बारीक ना, इट्स वेरी शार्प, द एजेस आर वेरी शार्प एंड दीज आर नोन एज ब्लेड. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट वन थिंग मोर, द स्टोमेटास आर प्रेजेंट दिस साइड ऑफ द लीफ, ऑन द lower side of the leaf. They are very small, we cannot see them with our naked eyes. Okay student, so the spores are present on the lower side of the leaves, and the work of the stomata is, what is the work of the stomata? Stomata, they absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Stomata absorbs carbon dioxide. There are teeny pores on the surface of the leaves, these are known as stomata. And what is the work of the stomata? Stomata absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, है ना. And there is another preprint. Why these leaves are green in color? These leaves are green in color because of the chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll is a pigment which gives green color to the leaves. Okay, student. So, what is the work of the chlorophyll? Chlorophyll absorbs heat from the sunlight. Okay, student. Chlorophyll absorbs heat from the sunlight. Okay, student. So, now we can see here is a leaf. What is the function of the leaf? The function of the leaf is the leaf prepares food for the plant in the presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Okay, and the process through which a leaf prepare food for the plant is known as photosynthesis. Okay, student, this process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, here I will show you a beautiful leaf of money plant also. Okay, come here. Okay, here is a money plant. I'll show another leaf. Okay, now how beautiful this is. A mixture of two colors, you can see. Very beautiful. And here is snail is sitting on this leaf. See, the snail is also walking on this stem. And how beautiful this leaf is. Okay, student. So today we have studied about the function of the leaf. Okay, student. Once again I will explain you the leaf, parts of the leaf. Okay, I'll show you the leaf and I'll explain it to you. Okay, student. Student, you can see a lot of sparrows are sitting on the wires. Dekhiye birds. Oh, a lot of birds are sitting here. You can see. ये देखिए birds कैसे उड़ रही है. Oh my God, oh my God. Okay, student. We were just discussing about the leaves. Okay, this is the stalk. है ना, जहाँ से हम लीफ को पकड़ते हैं इसको क्या कहते हैं? Stalk. Okay, and here you can see सेंटर लाइन. एक सेंटर लीफ के सेंटर से ये जो लाइन जा रही है इसको क्या कहते हैं? मिड रिब. Okay, और मेन वेन. Okay, and these small lines which are making V बना रही है ना लाइन, एक इस तरफ जा रही है एक इस तरफ जा रही है. These are veins. Okay, you can see they are making V shape. Okay, they are the lines which are making V shape. These are known as side veins. Okay, this is the main vein and these are the side veins. Okay, student. And here the boundary of the leaf is very sharp. So it is all. This is known as blade. Okay, as the blade is very sharp, so is the boundary of the leaf. The boundary of the leaf is very thin and it is very also edges are very sharp. So these are known as blade. Okay, student. So today we have discussed about the function of parts of the plant and the function of the root, stem and leaves. Okay, student. Now let us discuss further in our next video. Okay, student. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.